Hello, Pepe and Dayday. Good morning to you, and this is your very special day. Happy 7th birthday! Ayan. You know what? Teacher Cha is happy kasi once again, you've been given another year of your life, diba? So, that is God's goodness. Ayan. So, ang masasabi ko lang, Pepe and Dayday, continue to obey. Sumunod kayo palagi kay mami, kay daddy, o di kaya nanay at tatay. Ayan. In that way, God is pleased. Diba? Sabi niyo sa akin palagi, galit Jesus. Ayan. So, which is, maganda siyang pakinggan kasi, naa-aware kayo. Ayan, nako-conscious kayo na ay mali pala yun. So, this day is I'm praying na magiging overloaded kayo ng joy, overloaded kayo ng love, ng pagmamahal ni nanay tsaka ni tatay at sa lahat ng nagmamahal sa inyong dalawa. Ayan, kasi you're a blessing. And I would like to share Proverbs 22:6. It says, train up a child in the way he should go, for when he is old, he will not depart from it. So, ngayon pa lang tinitrain na kayo ng nanay at tatay, lalo na maging close sa Panginoon kasi hanggang sa paglaki ninyo, hindi nyo yan makakalimutan. And I'm so happy with you guys here dito kahit na makulit. Pero I know it's a part kasi it's a part of growing up. Ayan. Pero nakakatuwa kayong dalawa. I'm excited. I'm happy to looking forward na pagpupunta kayo dito sa bahay. I know you're really trying to do your best. Kahit papano, naiintindihan ko naman kayong dalawa. Ayan. Though may mga little bit, minsan nagiging impatient kayo, pero hindi nyo tinitigilan eh. Like yung pag-solve ng puzzle, di ba? So, hindi nyo tinitigilan. Nung nakuha nyo na, yun, happy na kayo. So, I'm so happy also kasi lahat ng nandito lahat ay for educational purposes. Ayan, so, once again, happy 7th birthday. Enjoy your day kasi yan ay gift ng Panginoon sa inyo and most especially sa mga magulang ninyo. I love you, Pepe and Dayday!
Happy birthday. Keep growing, exploring, having tons of fun. The sky is the limit for both of you. Cheers to another year of adventure, learning, and fun. And make each year the best one year. And once again, happy birthday to both of you. Okay? Wow.
Happy birthday, then Lexan Faden. I'm so honored that I'm one of her teachers who keeps on guiding you in everyday life. I wish you all the best and just make mama, tatay, and nanay proud. Ayan, we're going to see each other again. Happy birthday again. I love you guys.
But almost doesn't mean we get to stay. Fast forward to December. Snow fell.